all people who are going to come to the NDC are basically parties who subscribe to the Azimio ideology. And it is actually an open meeting. Only those who are willing. See, this is actually a coalition of the willing. Nobody is being coerced or forced to join Azimio. If you feel that you do not subscribe to the vision of Azimio, you are actually free to not to come. So these parties will sign an agreement so that they join Azimio. There are going to be application forms which they will complete, then they will join. And on that day, we will launch Azimio after consultations among the members. Mr. Mayor Peter Kenneth has not even asked me to be a running mate. So we are not yet talking about who is going to be a running mate. We are creating a movement. Correct. We will discuss those issues when the right time comes.
Voting the 5th without any conditions, we believe we are safe under Raila Amolo Odinga, not just as a community, but as a country. Yes. And we support him without any conditionalities. That's what it is.